from MEIM program. Today I would like to talk about color temperature. Well, you might think that this is a very familiar term, but what is the definition of it? Well, it is the temperature of an ideal black body radiator that radiates the light of a color comparable to that of the light source. It is measured by Kelvin, K. How do we understand this definition? Well, imagine that I'm holding a black matter, a black subject, and now I start to heat it with a heating source. As the temperature of the heating source varies, the color of the black matter starts to change. When the heating source is 1500 K, the color is red. When it starts to raise to orange, it became orange, yellow, white, and eventually blue. So on this chart, we can vividly see that the red is a low color temperature and blue has rather high temperature. Well, many people tend to remember it in the wrong way because red is the color of sun and blue is the color of the ocean. It's cool. Let me tell you a story. A stupid friend of mine has this trick. He can fling his fingers through a lightning candle through the flames without getting hurt. How does he do that? The trick is he never touches the center area of the flame, which is the blue part. The outside of the flame is not that hot. It cannot hurt you. However, in the center, the blue part contains mass energy and it can burn you easily. So this illustrates why the blue is the high temperature color. But now here is another question. Why turn my TV into a high temperature mode? Why my screen turns out to be really orange, which is a low temperature color? How does that happen? Well, here is a reminder that when you are changing the temperature of your appliances, you are changing the color temperature of your appliances, not of the outcome of your appliances. Well, say I'm using camera right now, and here is the original color mode. And now if I turn on the high temperature mode, it raises the bar. However, the actual lighting stays here. So if you raise the bar, the gap actually becomes wider. So in comparison, the actual lightning seems to be in a lower temperature. And this is why, as a consequence, your images, your videos seems to become redder. And all that is what I would like to share with you today. But please, if you have any more questions or interesting ideas, contact me with this email. You are all great audience. Thank you for your time.